know I give it to you, but baby, I'm not trusting. You were trusting that the nigga on the hit list. Tryna fit you in, you should be bad bitch. And I tell you that I was a savage. Fucking white horse in the carriage.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another exciting video, and I'm gonna do a full face using all ColourPop cosmetics except for the primer and the setting spray because they're literally launching it today. I have the no filter setting powder. I also have the no filter foundation, and I also have the no filter sheer pressed powder. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna do the brows, and I'm using my ColourPop pomade in black and brown, and the logo is literally not there anymore. This is what the brows look like. For the eyes, I'm gonna use my customized palette from ColourPop, and this is what the palette looks like. It says it was all a dream, and this is what it looks like. Well, some of them are from ItsWAWA, but I'm still gonna use it. Alright, so I'm gonna set the concealer first using this shade. Next, we're gonna add some color, and I'm still gonna use the same brush. I like using the same brushes, and I think we're gonna do with this one, this orangey shade. For the next one, I'm gonna go ahead with a deeper red right here. And now we're gonna use this color right here. Right now we're gonna deepen it up using this brown right here and this one right here. Now we're gonna add some glitter. I always just mix whatever shimmer shade I have in here. I already primed my face. I have the no filter foundation in the shade medium 95. You can literally lock it, and some foundations don't do that. They just spill everywhere. So for concealer, I'm gonna use my no filter concealer in medium tan 35. The next item that we're gonna use is a no filter sheer pressed powder. This one is in the shade medium dark. Now we're gonna bake using the ColourPop no filter setting powder, and they have 3 shades. They have the translucent, they have the banana, and they have the dark one. I forgot the name. And this one retails for $9. Unfortunately, I don't have a bronzer, I don't have a contour, I don't have a blush, I don't have a highlighter from ColourPop. So we're gonna make it work. For my palette to contour, we're gonna use this shade right here called Made to Last. Oh my god, it works perfectly as a contour. For blush, we're going to use this shade called Soft Core. To highlight, we're going to use Save It for Later. And the last part will be the lips. I don't know, I'm probably gonna go really simple since I like to be simple. Let's just do doozy. Alright, you guys, I just popped on some lashes and this is the final look. What you guys think? I really like it. I am loving the foundation, pressed powder, and then the translucent powder. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!